Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, welcome back with me Ahda and my friend
Dastan,
Today we will doing some podcast
about our interests.
Our interests. Yeah. So in this podcast we will talking about what is our interest and what is Dastan interest, and we will talking about that interest. Okay, start from you, Das. What is your interest?
My interests are astronomy and anything related about space or some science. How about you?
Okay, science is a cool. I'm getting interest to some. I like to reading a book in my free time, so maybe my interest is reading a book. Did you have some theory or conspiracy about space? Because, like, space is a lot of conspiracy. Did you have some theory or conspiracy?
For conspiracies, there's a lot of conspiracies like the flat earth conspiracy, which literally doesn't make any sense and I don't know how to explain it. And there is also hollow earth or much more out of the mind conspiracies that doesn't make any scientific sense. But for theories, there are a lot of theories that are pretty true, such as the Big Bang theory, which indicates that the universe started at some big explosion, and it all came after that.
Okay, so I have a question from your conspiracy. Why flat Earth is nonsense? Why?
Flat Earth doesn't follow the laws of gravity, since the laws of gravity makes anything that's big enough to fall to its own gravity, such as Earth. It fell to its own gravity and made a sphere or a ball out of itself. The flat Earth is possible if the Earth was not as big as it was and not as heavy as it was.
Okay. And then, did you have another theory again?
Theories such as theories of other aliens, which are scientifically true, but other theories don't really make sense, but they have some scientific sense to it.
So did you say if there is an alien in outer space?
Scientifically, yes. There are more than 300 Earth-like planets in this galaxy alone, which exist in their habitable zones of their stars, which water can be liquid without it freezing or evaporating.
I see. So there is a lot of chance there is an alien out there.
Yeah, there are multiple theories about it. Some say we were the first ones to develop into living beings or multicellular beings like this, or we were just too late to see any aliens to come along. Or we are in the middle and aliens are growing by our right now.
This I have a question. This a little bit funny. Like, how about if there's an alien out there, and then they thinking we are as human is alien? Is that possible?
Yes, it is possible. But they don't certainly call us aliens. It depends on their own language.
Oh yeah, but in our language, they can call us alien, right?
Yes.
I see.
How about I ask a question?
Okay.
What type of books do you read, anyways?
Actually, I like to reading a lot of book. Like, a lot of my book it's about psychology. Yes, and then about history of Islam, and then it's like a book to improving myself, like how to good habit or bad habits.
Oh.
And then what again? The book that you have last time.
1,000. Which one really?
The what?
The green one.
The white.
Oh, science.
Yeah, I don't know. There's 1,000 what? I forget. But yeah, I like to reading a book because I don't know why it's like make my knowledge it's more and more because as you know, reading can improve our IQ and our knowledge.
What do you know about psychology? Psychology or anything you read about? Can you tell me about it?
Okay, so psychology is like the strict. Actually, there is two sides of psychology. There is the good psychology and dark psychology. It's like you know, bad psychology, like for manipulation, and there's a lot. So psychology is like the name of psychology is the how to human it's thinking. So I'm trying to manipulate you, but because you have a strong psychology, I need to try harder to manipulate you. Like when we are asking for the money, can I get some money? Example, can I get some money?
Sure.
For what?
For for
This.
borrowing.
Yeah, but I don't want to give back to you. How?
Force you either with mental tricks or just physical ways. And as you know, yeah, mental tricks based on your perspective is using psychology.
Yeah, just like that. Because dark psychology, yeah, I will talking about dark psychology because I have the book.
I'm so scared.
Really, bro, you can look at my locker. I have dark psychology, and I like to read that because I don't know why it's like improving my knowledge in psychology. Is like I don't know. I have what when you know Kahari, right?
Of course.
Yeah, I like when he's talking when he treats me like a human, not like another person that is bad guy. I like psychology because of Kaheri. And Kaheri, thank you for your knowledge, Kaheri.
Yeah.
And I will talking about good psychology. So good psychology or light psychology is like normal psychology for like for
comforting someone or like treating someone better.
Yeah, maybe like that. Okay, maybe that's all from us, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe that's all from me.
And me also.
Last we say wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
You check the video again.